Ever wondered what makes Thai cuisine so delectable? Or why pad Thai has become an international sensation? It's all about the harmonious blend of flavors, fresh ingredients, and a dash of Thai culinary magic. Picture this: rice noodles, succulent shrimp or chicken, firm tofu, and fresh bean sprouts, all stir-fried to perfection. Add a delectable sauce made from tamarind, fish sauce, lime juice, and sugar, then garnish with crunchy peanuts and fragrant cilantro. That, my friends, is the enchanting world of pad Thai. Creating this classic Thai dish is an adventure in itself. Start by soaking the rice noodles in warm water until they are just soft. While the noodles are soaking, it's time to prepare the pad Thai sauce. This flavor-packed concoction is made by combining tamarind paste, fish sauce, sugar, and lime juice. Next, heat a wok or large frying pan and add a splash of oil. Add in the tofu and cook until it's golden brown. Push the tofu to one side of the pan and crack in the eggs. Scramble them until they're just set, then mix them with the tofu. Now, add the shrimp or chicken to the pan. Cook until they're perfectly done. Then add the drained noodles and the prepared sauce. Stir everything together, ensuring the ingredients are well coated with the sauce. As the dish nears completion, toss in the bean sprouts for that delightful crunch. Stir fry for another minute or so, then turn off the heat. And there you have it, a delightful plate of pad Thai, right from the heart of Thailand to your kitchen. But wait, we're not done yet. The final touch includes a generous sprinkle of crushed peanuts and a handful of fresh cilantro leaves. In summary, pad Thai is a symphony of flavors, a dance of textures, and a testament to the culinary wisdom of Thailand. It's the balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy notes, the freshness of the ingredients, and the warm, comforting presence of rice noodles that make this dish an international favorite. So the next time you're craving something exotic and flavorful, remember the magic of pad Thai. It's not just a dish, it's an experience, an adventure, and a journey into the heart of Thai cuisine. And the best part? You can create this culinary masterpiece right in your kitchen. So, go on, explore the fascinating world of Thai cuisine, and let pad Thai steal your heart.